This is a giant Thomas Kiddie by Arch Mitchell. I just want to have a summer message first, by the way. Then we'll start. Yeah, sorry about the news in the background. I do apologise though. I just want to wait for the summer message first before you ask. Because I am.
When you're ready, press the start button.
And yes. Game of Arch Mitchell in 1984. Unless for British Tops Limited. Yeah, although I did try to film this yesterday, but sadly I couldn't. Because I had too much storage apparently. That's why I'm going to do one ride apparently. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going to obviously redoing this again actually. To be honest. Yeah, I like this ride as well. Yes, I like there. Yeah, you might not see it very well because of the sun apparently. About the sun shining, to be honest.
I need you to help the other engine.
Got a few kids here. But yeah. Road display over there. Zero remote there. I really hope I don't get copyright by news in the background. Please YouTube, don't copyright me, please. I'm serious. So yeah. You might hear the audio for this ride, sadly. Yeah. And that was the Arch Mitchell Big Thomas Kiddie ride.